to be given this opportunity to welcome you all to the Advanced Research Methodology Workshop. In the pursuit of knowledge and innovation, research methodology serves as the compass guiding our endeavors, ensuring rigor, credibility, and progress in our scholarly pursuits. As we gather here, I invite you to embark on a journey of exploration and discovery, delving into the intricacies of advanced research methodologies that will propel our understanding and contribute to the advancement of our respective fields. At the heart of advanced research methodology lies the quest of precision, efficiency, and depth in our investigative processes. It encompasses a diverse array of techniques, tools, and approaches designed to unearth insights, test hypotheses, and push the boundaries of knowledge. From quantitative methodologies, harnessing the power of numbers and statistical analysis, to quantitative methodologies, unraveling the complexities of human experiences and perceptions. Each holds its unique strengths and applications. It is with great honor and privilege that we extend a warm welcome to our distinguished chief guest for today's UGC-sponsored 2 days national workshop on advanced research methodology. Their presence here today symbolizes a commitment to excellence, innovation, and the pursuit of knowledge. Without further ado, let's welcome our workshop director and treasurer, Dr. P. Brahmaji Rao Garu, Head Department of Education, ANU. His dedication and commitment to organize this workshop is truly excellent. Please join me in welcoming our Chief Patron, Professor Rajshekhar Patteti Garu, Vice Chancellor, ANU, has been a trailblazer in inspiring generations with visionary leadership and unwavering dedication to excellence. We are truly privileged to have a distinguished personality amongst us, someone whose presence adds immense value to our event. Likewise, Dr. Srinivas Kumar Garu, Dean and Head Department of Education, Dravidian University, has left an indelible mark on his field, earning his accolades and admiration from peers of this occasion, and we are truly honored to have you here, sir. Next, Professor P. Chandra Mohan Garu, Central University of Tamil Nadu, luminary in the respective field with a wealth of experience and expertise that has shaped the landscape of research. Next, please join me in giving a heartfelt round of applause to welcome Dr. J.R. Priyadarshini Garu, Chairperson BOS in Education, ANU, to the stage, an individual of remarkable achievements and a source of inspiration. Next, I am delighted to introduce our Professor C.H. Swarupa Rani Garu, Principal, University College of Arts, Commerce and Law, and Dean Faculty of Education. Please give a warm welcome to our guest whose dedication, hard work and passion have led them to great success, Professor V. Ravi Garu, Central University of Jammu. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Dr. J. Suraj Mohan Garu, Correspondent, St. John's Educational Society. Please give a warm welcome to our guest, Professor P. Prasad Babu Garu, Regional Director. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of Organizing Secretary Dr. M. Vasantarao Garu, Faculty Department of Education, ANU, onto the stage, please. I would like to call upon onto the stage Dr. Nazar Garu, Lazar Garu. Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa. Now I hand over the mic to Brahmaji Rao Garu for further proceedings. Thank you.